Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Teresa and I am a self-taught watercolorist. And today's videos will be another Sketchbook Diary episodes. I haven't been doing this for a while and I thought that today would be a great day to just sit down and do some sketches and have a little talk to update what's been going on in my life with you guys. So just sit back, have a cup of tea or coffee and enjoy the video. First, I want to talk about my YouTube channel. I haven't been posting very consistently recently, and that's something that made me feel very bad. Last week I only posted one video and the week before only 2 videos. I know that it doesn't sound that bad, but my goal is to post 3 videos per week, and for not reaching that goal, that's something that make me feel like I am not very consistent. I think my problem is that I don't know how to manage my time efficiently, and that is something that makes me feel a little bit disappointed in myself. And the other problem that I face that I always overthink and I always make everything seems too complicated for me. Like when I come up with an idea and I always keep thinking that this is not good enough, this is not really perfect, and what if nobody like this idea, and I just keep, and that as a result I just keep delaying, and in the end just was not able to do anything at all. And also the other thing is that I know when I am just a beginner and I just started my YouTube channel like 2 months ago, I know that I cannot expect growth fast. It's gonna take a long time before I can see the result, but I have to admit that sometimes seeing the numbers and it just feels so discouraged, and it just pushes me to the point that sometimes I think that everybody just ignores my video, and I feel like I'm not good enough or my art is not that special for somebody to watch. I do know that this is so wrong to think it that way, and that's not even true, but I guess it's just a human nature that we tend to draw into negative more than the positive. That's pretty much all the problems and all the negative thoughts that I have in the past few months. But now I am feeling so much better. I think that I'm pretty good at picking myself up when it comes to feeling down. And I've been watching a lot of YouTube video, educational video that people teach you how to grow YouTube, and some of the business video as well. And I have learned a lot from those videos, and now I know my weakness is that time management. And I also noticed it came to my realization that I never write down things that are in my mind. I just keep them in my mind, and at one point just forget. So that is something I need to improve. So I got myself a notebook and I started writing down all of the things that I need to do, of the ideas that comes to my mind, so that I don't forget. I hope that this thing is gonna help me improve my time management and also help me to be consistent with my YouTube channel. And I hope that you're gonna support me in this journey. And it's been a while since I do Sketchbook Diary, and I feel so good just to sit down and pen in my sketchbook again. And the point of having sketchbook is just to be messy, to experiment, and just to paint whatever you feel like. So I feel much less pressure and feel like you can actually enjoy the process with these sketchbooks. The painting that I am doing today is also based from a photo reference that I downloaded from Pixabay. So this is a copyright-free photo, and I love painting landscape. You probably see that I have been painting a lot of mountain and pine trees in most of my video about landscape painting. In fact, I feel like I can never get tired of painting these landscapes. I just love painting these. Recently, I just ordered a couple of art supplies from Blick online, and I'm still waiting for the order to be delivered. I expect to receive them on Thursday this week, and I definitely will do an art haul video, so expect to have that video coming soon. I never do any art haul video in my channel since I started, so probably this is the first one, and I am definitely so excited. When it comes to art haul, I love watching art haul video, but I try to be very frugal when it comes to buying art supplies. Sometimes it's very tempted to just want to buy everything and test out all the color pens and test out all brushes, but I really try to control myself, because first, everybody knows that art supplies are super expensive, and second, I don't have an art studio. It is just a little corner in the living room, so if I have too much of art supplies, it's not gonna have enough space to store all of them. That's pretty much just all of the things I want to share with you guys today. I will try to be consistent with my posting schedule, which is 3 times per week, and I also want to just focus on YouTube as my main platform instead of focusing on too many things. And I hope you guys gonna support me in my art journey.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in all conversations. Cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you relax, unwind, and give you some inspiration to start your own sketchbook. And if you do like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, because that would help my video reach more people. And subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. Don't forget that I also have a lot of tutorials video from floral to landscape. I will link those videos in the description box below, so don't forget to check them out. And until next time, bye!